Artlist.io.
Caught me off guard when you called me up. Told me that you found someone else to fuck. It was on my birthday a week ago. Happy birthday to me. Laying on the couch watching Parks and Rec, drowning all the pain in a can of Becks. Trying not to feel sorry for myself.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Dancing on the edge of a heart attack. Any second now I'll go right back to blaming it all on you somehow. Cause I can't face the truth out loud. You're happier than ever.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
To myself.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.